What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about Hyliion Nio Tattoo Chef merger, and we're also going to be going over a new SPAC company that could potentially go public pretty soon. I'm going to go in detail, talk about what the company is all about. I'm also going to go over exactly what happened in the stock market and what are the important economic reports that we need to pay attention to for tomorrow. So make sure you stay to the end of the video. I'm going to go over all this important information coming up. Alright, before we get into the video, make sure you smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you drop in the comment section below. So, first information that I'm going to share with you guys is going to be for Hyliion. Hyliion is excited to announce that following the completion of its planned merger with SHLL Shell, Rob Knight will join the combined company's board. So that is the news that they released today. And also the CEO came out today on social media and stated that they're going to be producing more content on social media, so make sure you go follow them on their Twitter page. It's at Hyliion, and they're going to be dropping a lot of important news, events, and some of the important information about the company in the future, so make sure you go check them out. But as you can see, this is a report that came out today. This is a great sign. The merger is still going to be on. They're going to be voting Shll towards acquisitions. They're going to be voting in September 29 to proceed with the agreement that they made with Hyliion. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on Hyliion stock at that specific date. After that, they're going to announce when they're going to be merging pretty soon, and we will get to see exactly the deal complete. So definitely keep an eye on this company for a potential move that can happen within the next few weeks, within the next few months, guys. So now let's talk about exactly why Tattoo Chef stock is continuously going to the upside. As you can see over here, the stock is up today positive 7.3% to the upside. The stock has been breaking out to the upside a few days ago, and now is continuing to stay above the area that it broke out, and it's continuously going and making 52-week highs. So today it made a 52-week high of $28.25. So the main reason why this company continues to go to the upside is that they reported their financial results, and their numbers are phenomenal. So their net sales was about $67.9 million for the 6 months and in June 30, 2020. That is an increase of 104% compared to the $33.3 million in the previous period. Also, their gross profit increased by 143% to $13 million compared to $5.3 million in the prior year's period. And also their operating expenses of $4.5 million for the first 6 months ending in June 30, 2020 increased by $1.2 million compared to $3.2 million in the prior year's period. So the numbers are phenomenal. They're continuously growing a lot. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on this company after when they complete their merger. The stock can definitely be one of the contenders to spike up significantly higher. They're still waiting on when they're going to be completing their merger date pretty soon. So this is also another pre-merger company that we need to keep an eye on, because after the merger is complete or during the merger completion time, the stock can definitely spike up. And this is a very, very great company because of their numbers that they're projecting. Now, let's talk about exactly why Nio stock is also climbing to the upside today. And as you can see over here, Nio stock was up 1.53%. The main news that came out for this company is that we got hedge funds getting involved in this company, and the people are starting to believe. Not only are retail investors believing in this company, now we're seeing more institutions getting involved and buying shares of Nio. So that is a great thing to see if you're somebody that's invested in this company for the long run. If you're going to be buying and holding it for a few years and even decades, the company can definitely have potential for growth. And as you can see over here, we got hedge funds piling into Nio. So we're not only getting like 1 or 2 hedge funds that are getting involved in that, we have a bunch of hedge funds. So as of right now, Nio is in 30 hedge funds portfolios at the end of the second quarter of 22. So that is phenomenal. The all-time high for this statistics is 21. This means that the bullish number of hedge funds positions in this stock currently sits at an all-time high. So that is fantastic to know if you're somebody that is invested in Nios. That is phenomenal. So that's why you are seeing currently some of the analysts coming out and upgrading this company. The price targets increasing every single time an analyst comes out, and that is great if you're somebody that's invested in this company for the long run. Now, let's talk about the new SPAC pre-merger stock that could potentially spike up significantly higher, and it's going to be ticker symbol SBE, Switchback Energy Acquisition Corporation. The company that they're doing a merger is with ChargePoint, and the deal, which might be announced as early as next week, could value ChargePoint at over $2 billion. So that is fantastic. We're going to go in detail and watch what this company is all about and a quick introductional video about this company.
Hi, my name is Reem and I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager here at ChargePoint. Today, I'm going to show you one of our Level 2 commercial charging stations, the CT4000. The CT4000 is a part of a complete solution that includes 24/7 driver support, cloud services with features and plans for every industry, and world-class service and maintenance. CT4000 offers all-purpose charging for your employees, customers, residents, or fleets. Let's take a look. We use cutting-edge hardware that's rigorously tested to be safe and reliable. CT4000 is UL listed, meeting the requirements of the nation's leading safety standards organization. Stations that come back to us get tested right here in headquarters for root cause analysis. The information that we gather feeds back into software, hardware, services and support, and to manufacturing. This way, our products are continuously improving for you. The CT4000 is the first ENERGY STAR certified EV charger. It uses significantly less energy than a standard EV charger when in standby mode. This will help you save money on your utility bill. While our stations are rugged and built to withstand the elements, they are also designed to be driver-friendly, offering a premium charging experience. The stations are easy to find on our app, simple to plug in and start charging. Installing these stations is also super easy. Check out our installation videos and guides on ChargePoint University. These stations can be installed in the ground, like this one, or they can be mounted on a wall, for example, inside a garage where you may need more space. Once installed, the wires come in from the ground and go into the power plate. Since the head or the top of the station can easily be swapped out, if something breaks, you don't have to replace the station or change out the body or the power plate. It's an easy swap. The top cap is also a separate piece. This modular design allows for easy maintenance as well as customization options. Many of our customers choose to customize these plates in the front or in the back of the station with their branding. Cable management is a huge advantage. 18 and 23-foot cables can easily reach all car models and serve more parking spaces, making sure as many people as possible can charge. So no matter what type of EV your employees or customers are driving up with, they'll be able to charge and reach the car. Plus, the cable is always safely above the ground. You don't have to worry about people tripping or driving over it, or about it getting buried under snow or rain. With ChargePoint, your drivers have access to 24/7 phone support, as well as info about your stations in the app. Driver interaction is easy in any weather thanks to 5 rugged backlit buttons with audio feedback. ChargePoint CT4000 is designed to meet every commercial Level 2 charging need for any type of vehicle or business. Learn more at chargepoint.com.
So now let's check out some of the ChargePoint facts as of September 2020. As you can see, these are the major awards that this company won. So it's been winning awards since 2011, since 2010. So that is a great thing to see that the company is getting recognition. So they have more than 82 million chargers delivered, and drivers plug into the ChargePoint network approximately every 2 seconds. And drivers have avoided more than 98 million gallons of gas, and they're saving a lot of money by using electric vehicles. So that is phenomenal. They're reliable. They have 24/7 drive support, 24/7 centralized station monitoring. So there's like cameras around their charging stations. Also, they have smartphone support on Android and iPhone. And this is really a great company that is relatively competing with Blink Charging. However, Blink Charging is having issues. There's been a hit piece that came out recently. The stock is still selling off to the downside. It's currently trading around $6. But when this company goes public, we can definitely be seeing a competition with Blink Charging. So as you can see over here, we have different partners. They are partnered with the BMW, you got Toyota, Volkswagen, Honda, Nissan. So all of these major brands are partnered with this company. And the company employers are including, 3M, Dell, eBay, Google, LinkedIn, General Motors. All these companies are the customers of ChargePoint. So that is phenomenal. Now let's talk about what happened in the stock market today. So as you can see over here today, we had a lot of companies that pulled back to the downside. We gapped down significantly today and we recovered. However, right before in the mid-afternoon time, the stock market really started to sell off to the downside. We have the initial jobless claims numbers that came out for the week. The initial jobless claim numbers were not relatively good. And also Jerome Powell yesterday said that it's going to take a while for the U.S. to fully recover and for the jobs to be in a very positive continuous growth path. So really the stock market did not like that comments from the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. And as you can see, we have Facebook stock continuously going to the downside. Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft. You also have Tesla down to the downside. Now let's talk about what is going to be the important economic reports that we need to pay attention to for tomorrow. So we have tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. we got the current account deficit. It's going to be for Q2. The previous was negative 104 billion. We also have at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard speaks. So definitely keep an eye on this specific announcements, economic report. When the Fed president speak, this stock market can definitely react. We're in September. There's going to be a lot of volatility. The stock market is going to be super choppy. Right now, we're in the territory of the correction. We're back to that price point, which is down 10%. So definitely be super careful in September, guys. And also make sure you have a solid plan before you get involved in any of these companies. That's going to be for this video, guys. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below. If you want to sign up for Webull, support the channel on Patreon, and join the Discord, there's going to be links available in the Discord on the description box below, guys. I'll catch you guys on tomorrow. Let's get it. Have a wonderful day.